Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a warning. Don't rush into updating your iPhone to iOS 26 just yet. Whether you're using an older iPhone or one of the latest models, there are a few things you really need to know before hitting that update button. Let's break it down. For those of you using older iPhones like the iPhone 12, 13, or even earlier models, iOS 26 can bring some problems. Users have already reported battery draining faster than usual, occasional app crashes, and slight performance slowdowns. Yes, Apple does optimize iOS for older devices, but with each new version, the software is designed more for the newer hardware. That means older iPhones might struggle a bit with things like spatial wallpapers, advanced widgets, and AI-powered Siri features. If you depend on stability, staying on your current iOS version might be smarter, at least until Apple drops a 26.0 one bug fix. Now you might be thinking, well, I have the latest iPhone, so I'm safe. Not exactly. Even on the iPhone 15 and the brand new iPhone 17 series, iOS 26 still has its share of issues. Some people are noticing CarPlay not connecting properly, FaceTime activation problems, and random UI glitches with the new control center layouts. It's not major, but it can get pretty annoying, especially if you use these features daily. Now, to be fair, iOS 26 isn't all bad. Apple introduced some really cool things like interactive lock screen widgets, deeper customization, call screening, and improved privacy tools. On newer hardware, it looks great and feels futuristic. But the problem is, these features don't outweigh the bugs right now, especially if you rely on your phone for work, school, or travel. So here's my advice. Hold off on updating to iOS 26 until Apple rolls out the first bug fix update, which will likely be iOS 26.0.1 if you're on an older iPhone. It's even more important to wait because you don't want to risk battery or performance issues. That's it for today's review. iOS 26 looks exciting, but stability should always come first. What about you? Have you updated already, or are you waiting? Drop your experience in the comments, hit like if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest iOS updates. See you in the next one.